Tira.
Aanin ang mataas na grado kung ang ilo mo naman ay parang malaking tambutso.
Ow!
Kung inaakala mong wala akong isasagot, lumapit ka rito, ako'y nababagot.
Mabi ka. Baka akala mahina tayo. Sige.
Pakatandaan mo kung saan ako nakatira, above the tree. Ikaw ang under the tree dahil ikaw ay Capri.
Pangola!
Huwag niyong kalimutan, si Miss Pangola may mina ng kasabihan.
Tapang lang yan yun.
Ha?
Meron ako para sa'yo.
Hindi kita sasagutin, senador ka.
Hindi, pero may kasabihan ako para sa'yo.
Ano?
No guts, no glory, no ID, no entry.
Wala ka!
Ano sasagot
O ito,
ko?
gawa ito sa itlog ng pugo na nababalutan ng kulay orange na harina. Anong street food ito na masarap isaw-saw sa suka at sinasabing kapatid ng Tokneng-neng? Ano ba ito?
Tok-nene!
Sir, hindi
Anong
namin
tok-nene?
maintindihan.
Kapatid
Ulitin mo.
Gawa ito sa itlog ng pugo.
Favorite ko yan, sir.
Nababalutan ng kulay orange na harina. Harina nakalagay dito eh. Anong street food ito na masarap isaw-saw at sinasabing kapatid ng Tokneneng?
Favorite
Alam niyo mga audience yan, paborito nila yan. Ano?
Kwek-kwek.
Alam namin lahat.
Kwek-kwek. Sir.
Correct.
Sir!
Oh,
Bago kayo mag-knock-knock, alam ko talaga paboritong street food niyan si May Pangola.
ano?
Ano?
Street boys.
Wow!
Umamin ka.
Grabe ka. Straight to the point.
Sir, may knock-knock kami.
Oh, sige nga.
Sir, may knock-knock kami. Total, mukha namang tutayang si Miss Pangola o mukhang
Oh.
pudel.
Tira,
Meron
tira.
kami, sir.
Meron kami.
Knock,
para kay Miss
knock.
Pangola.
Who's that?
Kwek-kwek.
Kwek, kwek.
Oy, hindi lang basta kwek-kwek. Miss Pangola, kwek-kwek.
Miss
Ano?
Pangola, kwek, kwek. Who?
How much Miss Pangola in the window? Kwek-kwek. I wish Miss
Pangit, pangit.
Pangola is...
Mas magandang naisip ko. Sir, knock-knock.
Who's that?
Kwek-kwek.
Kwek,
Ano
kwek, who?
naman siya?
Ano ba kayo? Ang kamalayan ngayon ay pang kapaligiran. World peace.
May ganon?
I would like to dedicate this. Kasi ididikit naman tayo mamaya. I would like to dedicate this to the people of the University of the Philippines who came to plant trees, the teachers who teach us how to plant, ay, who educated us, at sa lahat na may kamalayan para sa buong mundo. Ay, pakitanggal mo na ng gown ko. Di bagay sa kanta ko.
Change costume ba?
Wow! Hindi nakasaring zipper ni Kasha.
Huwag nyo nang artihan, di talaga maisara yan. Kay Isa Kalsado to.
Ay, balik nyo na lang.
Ha?
Balik nyo na lang.
Ang damit ni Isa.
Sige, tara na. Wah.
Happy Fiesta!
There comes a time. There comes a time pa lang yun, ha? Narinig mo, palakpakan na. Happy birthday, pare.
Yes!
Hindi ka ba nagpalilingon? When we heed a certain call,
Parang nasa Klaus lang.
when the world must come together as one.
Aswang! Aswang!
There are people dying. Oh, it's time to lend a hand to life. The greatest gift of all.
Isa!
We are the world. We are the children.
Pauline!
We are the ones who make to the core. When we share together as one.
We are the world.
We are the world.
We are the children.
We are the children.
We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
Start giving.
There's a charge to make. We're saving our lives. It's to make a brighter day.
Just you and me. Ay, saan pupunta yan?
We are the world.
We are the world. We are the children. We are the children. We are the ones.
We are the ones who make a brighter day.
So let's start giving. Just for making.
That's a charge.
We're saving our lives. It's to make a brighter day. Just you and me.
Ano meron
We
dito?
are the world. We are the world. We are the children.
We are the children.
We are the ones who make a brighter day. So let's start giving.
So let's start giving. Wala mo na nga ba Leo?
Babago mo. Babagaan siya kasana.
We make a brighter day.
Just you and me. We are the world. We are the children. So let's start giving. 90, sir. 90 score.
Swerte kayo, nobeta kayo.
Bye, Miss Bye, Miss Panggola!
Have a safe flight. Yung trophy.
Para may anak.
Kung swerte kayo, nabenta kayo. Kung hindi, mapapalikin ko yan dito. Eh, 80, no? Naipit pa rin tong tatlo. Okay, Alan. Ay, Alan.
Tangayin siya.
Miss Pangola. Okay, sundan na natin to ng mga pang-professional. Narito, Grupo 3, Joey and Miss Venezuela.